Hi everyone, Sean here from Hydra Strength and Conditioning, and today I'm going to be talking about making a safety squat bar out of PVC pipes. Back in 2017 when I opened the gym, I ordered a safety squat bar, the one you see here right behind me, and the idea was that it can be very beneficial for clients with very limited shoulder flexibility. However, as I was removing the bar out of the box, it was only then that I realized that I had failed to consider something. Its weight. This bar here weighs about 32 kgs. For someone that's just starting out training and has very limited shoulder flexibility, now this person is very unlikely strong enough to squat 32 kgs on their first day of training. So unfortunately, this bar didn't fulfill the need that I bought it for. Over the years, we've had a number of clients come in that were both detrained and had limited shoulder flexibility. So what we did so that these clients could still squat was that we used lighter bars, either a 5 or a 7 kilo bar, and attached some wrist straps onto the bar in sort of like a makeshift safety squat bar. While it wasn't perfect, it allowed these clients to continue squatting and get stronger. Recently, I came across a video posted by a fellow starting strength affiliate gym, Brussels Barbell, and they were showcasing one of their clients squatting with what appeared to be a safety squat bar made out of PVC pipes. I contacted the owner, Steve, and he confirmed that indeed it was made out of PVC. Intrigued, I did a bit of a search online and I found another video by Phil Meggers of Testify Strength and Conditioning, which is also another starting strength affiliate gym. And he was talking about a safety squat bar made out of PVC that he made for his client that required it. Thinking that this can be very beneficial for some of our clients here, I decided to make one for our gym. So this here is the safety squat bar made out of PVC pipes. And to make one, you will need the following material. You will need 40 millimeter diameter PVC pipes cut into the following dimensions. 2 53 cm segments, 2 35 cm segments, 1 22 cm segment, 2 20 cm segments, and 2 15 cm segments here. You will also need 2 T-joints, which looks like this, and you will need 4 elbow joints, which looks like this. You will also need 6 pipe clamps, PVC cement, a 145 cm metal bar, two bar pads, and a pair of clips. And once you've gotten all that, you can start assembling your own safety squat bar. The first step to assembling your own safety squat bar is to connect all the PVC pipes and the joints. And you will do it in 3 different sections. The first section is this 53 cm segment, this 22 cm segment, these 2 35 cm segment, and these 2 T-joints. This will be section 1. Section 2 would be this 20 cm segment, elbow joint, 15 cm segment, elbow joint. And section 3 will be the same as section 2. When assembling sections 2 and 3, make sure that both elbow joints are facing directly opposite each other. Right? You do not want them to be an angle to each other. You want them to be parallel, facing directly opposite of each other. Okay? So when assembling the sections, use your PVC cement put a little bit of it on the outside of your PVC pipe and the inside of the joint. After putting it together, let it sit for a couple of minutes. Once that is done, attach sections 2 and 3 to section 1, but do not use any PVC cement on it at this point of time yet. On a safety squat bar, you will notice that there's a bit of an angle, right, between the handles and where the plates hang off, and that angle is about 20 to 30 degrees. All right, so set it to be about that angle, and then next, what you want to do is put it on the floor, right, and make sure that both of these sides are symmetrical. And once you've done that, now do not do the stupid thing that I did. Once you've done that, what you do is you mark both the joint and the pipe so that you know the exact angle, and you can replicate that again after you have removed it and add the PVC cement. Right? So once you've done that, you've got your marking down. You are going to remove sections 2 and 3, add the PVC cement, push it back, line the lines up accordingly, and let it set for a couple of minutes. So after you combine all 3 sections together, the next step is to add the metal bar. When you add the metal bar, make sure to align it such that when the safety squat bar is being used, the metal bar is directly above the length of the pipe, like such. And you attach it to each other using the pipe clamps. And what I've done is clamped it down on where the pipe and the joints interface. Once you've done that, take one bar pad, cut it to about 21 cm in length, place it on the center. Take the other bar pad, cut it in half, and wrap it around the handles. Let the PVC glue or PVC cement set for about a day, and your safety squat bar is ready to be used. Now, a couple of things to note. Because the sleeve is thinner than a conventional barbell sleeve, your normal barbell collars can't be used. So you will need to use clamps like this to keep the plates in place. Another thing is that because this bar is a lot lighter than a normal bar, it doesn't take a lot for the center of mass to go outside of the base of support and to tip the bar over, right? So you want to be aware when loading and unloading the bar. So if you regularly coach clients that are detrained and have limited shoulder flexibility, I think this is a very useful tool to have in your gym. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.